Well, there is continuing developments in the Derek Chauvin murder trial. Jurors have heard from at least a dozen witnesses so far, and they've seen surveillance and police body camera from the video of George Floyd's arrest. Day 4 of the trial expected to have a lot of emotional testimony. Michael George is outside the courthouse in Minneapolis.
Raise your right hand, please.
George Floyd's girlfriend was the first to take the stand on the 4th day of the Derek Chauvin murder trial. Courtney Ross told jurors about the day she met Floyd and how he approached her while she was crying.
He said, well, can I pray with you? I was so tired. We had been through so much, my sons and I. And this kind person just to come up to me and say, can I pray with you?
She told the jury, like many Americans, Floyd struggled with an opioid addiction to deal with back pain. During Wednesday's testimony, jurors were shown new video of Floyd being restrained by police shortly before his death. Parts of the recordings had not been seen publicly before, including comments made by Derek Chauvin after the deadly arrest.
I'm going to control this guy because he's a sizable guy.
Yeah, and I tried to get in the car.
Looks like he's probably on something.
Chauvin was talking to witness Charles McMillan, who broke down when prosecutors showed body cam footage of Floyd being pinned to the ground.
Stop moving. Mama. Mama. Oh, my God.
Throughout the trial, jurors have been listening intently and taking notes. On Wednesday, one juror had to take a break after some emotional testimony. She told the judge she'd had a stress-related reaction, felt shaky, and has had trouble sleeping. About 4 miles away, the intersection where George Floyd died remains a protest zone. Marcia Howard is one of the area's caretakers.
We all know that that trial somehow seems to be a trial of the value of a black life. No justice, no street.
She says the streets will remain closed to cars until all 4 officers charged in Floyd's death are convicted. Michael George, CBS News, Minneapolis.
And the man who was with George Floyd in an SUV before Floyd was arrested has told the court if he is called to testify, he will invoke his 5th Amendment so as not to incriminate himself. His attorney has asked the court quash the subpoena which his client faces.